What's going on, y'all? Not the real Will Smith. And hey, I'm just here to let you guys know that I got a new intro. If you already read the title, you already looked at the link, you already clicked on it, you already know what's going on. So look, every few months or so, I make a new intro. Nothing crazy. I think you got to mix it up and things like that. And I had a great idea of making a new intro when I had got a garage for my car to store it in. So I hope you guys enjoy it, but I also want to show you guys, the preparations and things that are put in place just to record videos versus the finished product. The finished product. And some people say editing takes longer than shooting. It all depends on, how you're prepping prior for your video, or if you're just hopping on the phone like I do and just, start recording. I definitely will say the prepping of the video is a little longer than how it's cropped out to what you guys actually will see in every intro, but the editing did take the longest. I'm not even gonna lie, the editing did take the longest. So I hope you guys enjoy. You guys are gonna see the unedited version, and then you're gonna see the edited version. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like and subscribe. NTR_Will Smith, as well as follow me on Instagram, NTR_Will Smith, for more content. I love y'all. Peace. Stay safe.